on EVS Class 4 in Chapter 1 by APC. Going to school. Summary of the lesson. Bridges are built over the canals, river, railway lines and busy roads so that people and vehicle can move easily. The bridges basically क्या है? Basically is the construction made by different materials. It is basically made over the canal, river, railway lines and busy roads so that people and vehicle can move easily. Bridges can be made by bamboo poles, ropes, cement, bricks, iron rod, etc. Different types of boats are used to travel on water. Just like in water transports, it is used over there. Camel cars are used in deserts, just like in Rajasthan. There we can see the camel cart. Bullock carts, different area, rural area we have seen in bullock carts, cycle, etc. are used in village for moving from one place to another. There are some places where vehicles cannot reach. For moving on the snow in the jungles and on the rocky paths, one has to walk slowly and carefully. Next, we're going to start the questions of Workbook EVS Chapter 1 Class 4 Going to School. Question number 1. Given below are types of bridges you have learned in the lesson. The spelling are jumbled up. Rearrange the letters to write the correct word. Write 2 lines about each. यहाँ पे जम्बल वर्ड्स दिया है, उसको करेक्ट करके लिखना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद you have to write 2 lines about it. See, EENCTM dash bridge. It will be cement bridge. CEMENT cement bridge. These bridges are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. These bridges also have few steps. B. EPRO. इसको अरेंज करके लिखना पड़ेगा. इसको होगा rope. ROPE. Rope bridge. This is constructing of rope. It contains 1 or 2 ropes. Rope is used in chain pulley system in villages. We can see it is in Assam. See, OBOBMA bridges. So the correct word it will be bamboo. BAMBOO. It is made by tying 4 or 6 bamboo sticks together. It is strong and highly durable. Next two, true and false. Write true for the correct statement, false for the incorrect statement. 50 people can easily sit in a trolley. It's not possible because 50 4 or 10 आदमी 4 or 6 basically people can move to trolley when the trolley is passing from one mountain to another mountain. Okay ना? तो यहाँ पे false होगा. Number B. Some bridges have steps. True. Yes. Some of the cement bridges also have steps. True. Camel can move easily on sand. Camel sand के ऊपर easily move कर सकते हैं. Very good. It is true. It is very easy to walk on snow. False. Because snow के ऊपर इतना easily हम लोग walk नहीं कर सकते. E. On the mountains, paths are very even. False. In the thick forest, sound of birds can be heard. Yes, absolutely right. The sound of birds can be heard in the forest. True. It is easy to walk on smooth surface. It's false. H. The children living in plains and find it difficult to walk in mountains. True. Then question. Answer the following questions. A. Why do you need bridges? Bridges की ज़रूरत क्या है, किस लिए है? Bridges are built over the canals, rivers, railways and busy roads that people and vehicle can move easily. Okay. B. What difficulties would you face without bridges? अगर ब्रिज नहीं होता तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होता? Difficulties to cross river, railway lines and roads. Without bridges, distance would be longer and it will take more time to reach the destination. Okay. See, what do children in some part of Kerala use to travel on water? Wooden boat, that is called Vallam. V-A-L-L-A-M, Vallam. D. What sound can be heard in jungle? We can hear the sound of different birds and other creatures in jungle. Number E. Why is it difficult to walk on snow? Snow में walk करना किस लिए difficulties है? When snow is soft, our feet sink, and if frozen, we may slip. That's why it's very difficult to walk on snow. Okay. What kind of paths do the mountains have? The mountains have rocky and uneven paths. Number 4. Explain the following terms. Trolley. What is trolley? So student, listen it. Trolley. It is an open box made of wood and attached with the rope. It is an open box made of wood and attached with the rope. It is used for transportation purposes from one place to another place. Okay, it is basically done over the river. Okay, Vallam. It is a small wooden boat. It is used to transport from one part to another part on water, and it is basically seen in Kerala, South India. Jugaad. It is used for a vehicle. It is a special transport which is made by a waste material. It looks like a motorcycle but in back used for carriage. Different types of wastage material is used, just like in tire, engines and any other things. Pulley. Pulley is a small fixed wheel with a rope or chain in a grooved rim. In a grooved, G-R-O-O-V-E-D, grooved rim that is used to lift something up and down. Okay. Next, write few sentences on the school of my dreams. यहाँ पे कुछ few sentences मतलब कुछ पैराग्राफ यहाँ पे दिया है. पैराग्राफ लिखना पड़ेगा on the school of my dreams. School of my dreams or my ideal school or my school, my home school. The paragraph should be near about same. Okay. So follow this student. My dream school is the place where life begins with the teacher. School is our second home where we learn so many things. In school, the teacher not only grabs the student attention but keep them on the edge of their seats, wanting to know more. My dream school is a school where teaching methods are based on technologies like robotics and practical based. So you can write your own also, different types of sentences you can make, and you can complete the few sentences on school of my dreams. Okay. Next question. Write 4 situations for which you are punished in class by teacher. हम लोग ऐसा ये देखा ना, जो कुछ कारण, कुछ रीज़न होता है जहाँ पे पनिश कर देता है टीचर. कौन सा होता है, हो सकता है फॉर डूइंग नॉट होमवर्क नहीं किया, फॉर लेट कमिंग टू स्कूल में थोड़ा लेट हो गया, फॉर एब्सेंस माइंडेड ड्यूरिंग लेक्चर, टीचर जब लेक्चर दे रहा था उस टाइम पे कुछ एब्सेंस माइंडेड हो गया, उदास बैठा हुआ है, ऐसा होता है. फॉर टॉकिंग विद फ्रेंड्स ड्यूरिंग द क्लास और ड्यूरिंग द लेक्चर, कुछ टॉकिंग कर रहा था इसलिए, तो ये पे पनिश कर सकते हैं. से नंबर 7, गेस द नेम्स ऑफ प्लेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लूज गिवन. ए रेन्स हेवीली कहाँ पे होता है? मेघालय, MEGHLAY, मेघालय में बहुत सारे रेन्स होता है। स्ट्रॉन्ग आयरन रोप इज यूज टू क्रॉस द रिवर, स्ट्रॉन्ग आयरन रोप यूज करते हैं क्रॉस करने के लिए रिवर, गुजरात। सी स्मॉल बोट्स आर यूज्ड, केरला, वल्लम। कैमल car is used, Rajasthan. Basically, camel car is the main transportation system there. Bullock carts move through green fields, villages. If sunlight does not pass through it, forest. Our feet sink into it. Northern hills area basically. Paths are rocky and uneven. कहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है? उत्तराखंड और उत्तरांचल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्टिविटी पेज। पेस्ट पिक्चर ऑफ एनी टू ब्रिजेस। ये पे दो ब्रिज का ये पे पिक्चर पेस्ट करना है, तो स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ, ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कीप इन ब्लैंक, ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड आउट द नेम ऑफ 4 फेमस ब्रिजेस इन द वर्ल्ड। 4 फेमस ब्रिज का नाम यहाँ पे लिखने के लिए बोला। नंबर 1 गोल्डन गेट, GOLDEN, गोल्डन गेट। नंबर 2 पॉन्टिफेक्सियो, PONTE, PONTIVECCHIO, पॉन्टिफेक्सियो। नंबर 3 सिडनी हार्बर, SYDNY, सिडनी हार्बर, HARBOUR। देन ब्रुकलिन, BROOKLYN, Brooklyn. Recently, you can see also in Bangladesh over Pada River. Okay, this is the one new bridge also made. Next question 3. Given below is a scene of a classroom. यहाँ पे classroom का एक तो scene दिया है। Where children are shouting कर रहे हैं, jumping कर रहे हैं, misbehaving कर रहे हैं। Teacher is not saying anything. Teacher कुछ नहीं बोल रहे। What would you do? तुम क्या करोगे इफ यू आर इन ए प्लेस ऑफ टीचर? अगर टीचर के जगह में होता तो स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा, ये बोला। तो इज बेसिकली वन कंडीशंस। सी वेदर स्टूडेंट्स आर शाउटिंग इन माय क्लास, वेदर स्टूडेंट्स आर शाउटिंग इन माय क्लास, jumping and misbehaving, then firstly I stay calm and try to listen their problems. So firstly I stay calm and try to listen their problems. After listening, I will convince them that studies are important rather than playing in the class. If still they do not agree, then I will punish them. Stand one leg for 1 hour. So student, that's all today for this chapter. Hopefully you understood. You prepare yourself for the next half-yearly exams and next exams. If you satisfy, if you are okay, so we will give you the next video for the worksheet of those chapters. So keep smiling, staying good, and hopefully you subscribe the channels. If you're new, so please subscribe the channel KB Teachers Guide by NCERT. So it will be very helpful. And side by दिया हुआ bell icon को press कर दो. So definitely any video when you upload, so instantly basis से it will reach to you. It will be benefited to you in your exam. Thank you all.